Here are the signs that you found your passion. There are internal and external signs. Internal signs are that you feel time is passing really fast. You don't really feel it. It comes natural to you and you find yourself in a natural state. You don't care whether you have breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or anything between that. You just want to keep going. Number two, it's kind of like a self-healing mindfulness practice for you. So you feel like yourself. You feel like you can be in tune with yourself and you kind of feel like in a trance. And the third is you feel kind of a sense of urgency to come back to it. So as soon as you actually take a lunch break, you can't wait to get back to it. Or if you haven't done it for like 2-3 days, you're so excited to get back to doing it again. And then there's external signs. And external signs have really to do with you don't really care what people think. You don't care about judgment. You don't care about what people think about you doing it. You just feel like you're in the zone, and whether people like it or not, you like it, you enjoy it. Number two is you don't care whether you will be paid for it or not. But studies show that if you actually follow and pursue your passion, you will get paid, and you will get paid more for things that you actually like doing than for things that are really heavy because they don't feel natural to you. Both, you don't care if you make money, but you will make more money. And the third external sign is people will compliment you for doing it because they can feel the energy, they can feel that the vibe that you exude while you're doing your passion, while you're engaging within it. The number one thing that you need to figure out is what are you good at? What are you excited to do? What comes natural to you? Because science shows people who pursue their strengths are much more successful than people who follow their weaknesses and try to make those weak their strengths. And your passion doesn't need to be something that you're doing right now. Maybe it's something that you did in your childhood and you're remembering, like, I was really good at this. This was really exciting. Let me try it again. Why is this important? You don't want to just get by doing something that you might be really good at and that's like fine and it gives you like a good income. You need to find something that you're really good at and that you enjoy doing, because the more you enjoy it, the more you will work for it, the more money you will make from it, the more success you will have, the more people you will impact, the bigger your legacy. Take for instance the author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling. It took her 5 years to publish her first book and she was denied by everyone. Everyone said, no, this is not going to work, these books are not going to make it big, and now she's a billionaire. She kept going. It took her 70 years, but she kept going pursuing her passion because that's the only thing that felt natural to her. She didn't care what people thought about her. She didn't care about whether she would make money or not. She just kept going, and eventually it paid off. It didn't just pay off for her, but for an entire generation that was inspired by her books and her movies. So what's that passion that you feel comes natural to you? I would love to know and figure out how we can make your passion your full-time job. Leave it down in the comments. If you loved this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear this. And I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.